What? Paula.
I think we are going to be on YouTube. Popular.
Yes, no.
Yes, so you're going to be on YouTube.
This song is for you.
We are at Belfast, and it's like the London of Northern Ireland. Okay. Thank you. They gave us wine.
What's the name of that guy?
Who is that?
Non-alcoholic. Thank you. Who's Dami? Who is Dami? Tani Dami.
Hi.
Thank you. What's her own name?
You know my name?
Someone has called Dami now.
Paula. Okay.
What? Paula.
I think we are going to be on YouTube. Popular.
Yes, no.
Yes, so you're going to be on YouTube.
What is your YouTube?
Miss Bimbo family.
Go and follow her.
Back from the market, and everything that you see here on the thumbnail cost £144.49, right? So I used to think that things would be cheaper in England compared to Ireland, because of course when you're traveling from Africa, especially from Nigeria, you would have first got to England before you now take a flight or a ferry to Ireland. I'm going to be sharing the prices of each of these items with you. I bought a lot of things, and if I had bought this from where we were coming from in England, I'm sure this probably would have cost nothing less than 200 or 250 pounds. So guys, let's see. So I got this stockfish, this okporoko, for how much? £3.99. £3.99 for this stockfish. There's a whole stockfish there, not even pieces. Okay, I got this yam, one yam for £5.33. £5.33. I got this ground egusi for £2.50. yeah, £2.50. I think it's a bit expensive, or maybe the weight is more. Yeah, the weight is more. It is how many grams? 100 grams. 100 grams for £2.50. 100 grams of egusi for £2.50. So I got 4 of them. 4 egusi, £2.50. I got this blended crayfish, also for £2.50. Blended crayfish. I got 4 again. I got 4 of them for £2.50. I got this Maggi for £4.50. £4.50. And this raw chicken for £3. I got this for £3. I got 2 close up, because these are toothpaste. It's just making everybody's teeth turn brown in this place. So I got each one for £2.50. I think this is a bit on the ice. I don't know. I honestly do not know, because I've not been using close up, but I want to go back to my roots. So each one for £2.50. Let me know if it is expensive or cheap. 50. So I saw this in Bo. As a Yoruba girl now, I thought to buy little to test it, you know. I bought this for £2. I don't know what the weight is, but it's not so much. I bought it for £2. Yeah, no, it says £3.99. I think this girl calculated, okay, this is 1 kg and it's £3.99. If it is good, I'm going to be patronizing them for elubo. That means we'll be eating more of amala in this house. Also, this is just the pack of this toothpaste. I got this palm oil, red oil, Nigerian oil. Nigerian oil, you can see I could actually tell that it is Nigerian oil. 5 liters. I got it for £17.50. It's Nigerian oil. See, I got this one from England from a lady for £23. Where we came from, I got this for £23, Nigerian oil, but I got this for £17.50. Also, I got this bread for £2.50. It's on the high side. Our bread was £2, maybe just £2 or £1.90 something, where we came from in England. So this is expensive. This is £2.50. And I got this okra for £2.48. I don't know, I rarely eat okra. I just thought to buy this because our ogbono is running out. So £2.48. I don't know if it is cheap or expensive. Let me know if these things are cheap or expensive. Maybe it's just the protein that are cheap. So I bought this curry, our Nigerian lion curry, for £1. £1. I got 3, but she billed me for, you see, I didn't check the receipts. I can only see 3, but she billed me for, but I'm suspecting that she billed me for this curry as well. And in England, this is 60p. Yeah, I used to buy this for 60p, but she billed me for £1. So I think these are more expensive, right? I think they're more expensive. But talking about their protein, these 3 mackerel fish, Titus fish, or alaron, whatever you know it as, these 3 cost £2.80 for 3. £2.80. Where we came from, we used to buy these 3 for like £5, £6. Yeah, where we came from, northeast England. So these 3 for £2.80 is a big, you know, bargain for me. So I got quite a lot. I got 1, 2, I got 4. Yeah, I got 4, 3, and 4. I got 4 alaro, £2.80 for this big 3 alaro. Then I also got catfish. Oh, they are beginning to defrost. I got this catfish for, where's catfish? Single for £4. Yeah, £4. So I got 2. And we got this onion noodles, a carton of Indomie onion noodles for how much? I think this in England is about maybe £12, £13. How much is your Indomie? £12. So it's about the same price with England. I got this for £12. £12. Now I got this assorted meat. In this assorted meat, you have fuku, you have liver, that's edo, you have roundabout. The assorted meat that we used to buy was just cube-shaped shaki and meat and cow leg. But this one has like the real assorted shaki, edo, roundabout, fuku, just name it. The typical assorted. How much is it? So this one costs £5. Yeah, the ones we used to buy in England too was £5 or £5. So I bought 2. I also got this cow leg, a busy cow skin. They call it bokoto. They call it beef skin here for £5. This is also £5, and it is boneless beef skin for £5. Fresh turkey 5 kg for £21. Fresh turkey 5 kg for £21, and they are big chunks. Look, very big chunks. Let's add chicken lap cut for £5. Yeah, this is £5. And what's the weight? 2 kg. 2 kg chicken lap for £5 rather, and everything sums to £144.49. Let me know in the comment section. This is in Northern Ireland. Like, I got all of this from Belfast. Let me know if it is cheaper in your area. I know that in southern England, like London, you know, foodstuffs, especially African food, might be a bit cheaper compared to like northeast England, where I used to live. Things were quite expensive. I mean, African food. But compared to where we currently live, where I got this from, Belfast, I think they are a bit cheaper, especially the protein. The protein are cheaper here in Belfast than where I came from in northeast England. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to like this video and consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.